Australia's Prism Industries is at the forefront of the country's plastic injection moulding industry.
Prism Industries is a family-owned and operated manufacturing business in Melbourne, Australia. We manufacture garden pots, ice cream containers and houseware containers for some of the largest companies in Australia.
As a medium-sized business, providing a high-quality product while also keeping costs down can be a challenge. With many of the items produced at Prism headed for some of Australia's largest retailers, they were seeking an automated solution that would ensure their products' consistency and accuracy. Prism selected a lightweight robotic arm developed by Universal Robots, a global developer and manufacturer of flexible and user-friendly industrial robots.
One of the challenges that we faced was some of our products required an adhesive product label, which required our operators to put on a label every 5 to 6 seconds. We were looking for an automated solution that would reduce costs, apply the product label more consistently and free up our operators. We met with Sensiplex, a distributor of Universal Robots, and they helped us find the right robot that would be able to be flexible but also carry the payload that we required.
The UR5 is capable of handling payloads up to 5 kilograms. It is increasingly popular amongst manufacturing businesses as it can be used to carry out a range of tasks. Prism now uses the UR5 to perform labelling tasks for the company's houseware production line.
The UR5 picks up the product from an outgoing conveyor, orientates it in front of a labeler, and depending on the shape of the container, whether it be round or flat, will rotate or move across the labeler and then place the labelled product to an outgoing table to our operator. Since we've implemented the UR5, we've seen better product consistency, specifically in the label. It's also freed up our operators to operate more machinery, and by doing that we're saving around about $500 a day, which has led to paying back the robot within 12 months.
Like all UR robots, the UR5 can be completely reprogrammed and deployed for other tasks in a matter of minutes, saving organisations valuable time. An easy-to-use, intuitive graphical user interface with a free drive function enables an operator to reprogram the robot by either grabbing the robot arm to set the waypoints in the program and show it how a movement should be performed, or by using arrows on the touchscreen. The user-friendly interface then allows staff to drag and drop the routines to do their programming. The interface has a simple layout and uses non-technical language that everyone can understand.
The flexibility of the UR5 is its best feature. It can fold in on itself and operate in really tight spaces. Every 2 or 3 weeks we'll move the robot around to a different machine, and even when we're not labelling, it's very easy to program so we can get it to just stack products into cartons.
In contrast to traditional industrial robots which tip the scales at 50 to 100 kilograms, the UR5 is extremely compact and lightweight, weighing a little over 18 kilos, and with a small footprint of only 1 square metre, the UR5 can easily be moved around the production floor, mounted and set up without requiring changes to the existing layout. The robot can also operate safely alongside staff, subject to a risk assessment. The robot's state-of-the-art force limit safety feature automatically stops the robot from operating when its movement is obstructed.
We've seen an increase in our staff's job satisfaction. They've been freed up from any monotonous tasks, which has allowed them to move around to different machines. They really enjoy watching the UR5 robot and feel a real sense of satisfaction when they learn how to program it.
The UR5 has been a huge selling point for Prism Industries, showing the company is ahead of its competitors when it comes to implementing automated solutions.
The UR5 has been a real point of difference for us. Our customers really enjoy coming in and seeing it operating. It's led to a lot of new business as it shows that even a medium-sized business like ours can be on the forefront of technology. We plan to implement a second UR5 very shortly to help with basic assembly tasks, and we look forward to implementing a third one soon after.